Hello everyone. Today we are discussing circle theorem. Few theorems of this chapter. First one is alternate segment theorem. States that angle between a tangent and a chord, angle that lies between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle subtended by the same chord in the alternate segment. That means this angle is equals to this angle. Then what is angle at the center? Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. That means whenever there is an angle, like if you say at center the angle is 30, then at circumference it will be 15. Always half at the circumference, whatever is at the center. Third angle in the same segment theorem means this is a chord. Whenever there is a chord, it divides the circle into two segments, this segment and this segment. That means this chord will make the same angle if they are in the same segment. That means these two both are in the same segment, then both are same. Angle in a semicircle. AB is a diameter. So when this diameter forms an angle, it will always be 90 degree. That is, angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. Then chord of a circle. Chord of a circle, this AB is a chord. If you drop a perpendicular from the center, this perpendicular always bisect the chord into two equal parts. Cyclic, what is a cyclic quadrilateral? Whose all 4 points lie on the circumference of the circle. What is the property of the cyclic quadrilateral? The opposite angles gives the total of, that is the sum of these two angles, opposite angles is always equals to 180 degree. If you add D and B, then also it will be equals to 180 degree. Now, what is a tangent of a circle? Tangent, a line touching the circle at one point. It always makes an angle of 90 degree with the radius. When two tangents are there from a point outside the circle, and they are touching the circle at two different points, A, B and D, here they will always make 90 degree, and the length of these two tangents are same. That is, A to D the length is same and A to B the length is same. Now, parts of a circle you should know while solving the circle theorems. If you draw a chord, it will always divide circle into two parts. The smaller part is called as minor segment and the bigger part is called as major segment. This is the center of the circle. Center to the circumference gives you the radius of the circle. From the center, the biggest chord that passing through the center is called the diameter of the circle. The small arc is called as minor arc. The bigger arc is called the major arc. And the point, if a line touches, then that line is called as the tangent to the circle. Now, there are two types of intersecting chords. One which are intersecting inside the circle like this, and the other which when we produce meet at some point outside the circle. For intersecting chords inside the circle, AE, that means the portion from here to here, AE multiplied by EB is equals to CE multiplied by ED. Okay, this is the formula. For the other set of chords which are meeting outside, A to E multiplied by BE is equals to C to E multiplied by DE. So these are the few things that you should know before starting solving the question of the circle theorems. Okay, thank you.